Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will be showing you how you can know if someone blocked you on iMessage. But before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and start our video. So for example, if you're on your iMessage and if you're trying to send a text to somebody and that person is not responding, for example, if this person's case, for example, you can see this delivered option, right? So if you send a message and that message shows you received called delivered, that means where that person has not blocked you off. But if you like send a message and you just can't get a receipt right there below your text message, that probably means that you have been blocked. One of the possibilities, or the other possibilities can be is like they don't have their network connection, their phone must be dead or something. Or once you send a message, if you get this red receipt below, then that also can be one of the reason you can assume that if you have been blocked. But if you can't get a hold on to someone the other way, simply go ahead, go tap on that person and make a call to that person. And if the call suddenly just goes beep beep or directs you to the voice message, then that means you basically have been blocked. Or yes, maybe they're out somewhere where there is no network connection or their mobile is dead for. So but if you have been in hold for like days, and that means you're probably blocked. So basically these are the options for you to find out, and I hope this video was helpful, guys. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you got more concerns, do let them in the comments below, and yes, I'll see you guys next time.